प्रोसेस के अकॉर्डिंग से कैसे मैं बोल रहा हूँ क्या ये
Hello everybody, so here we are at Knma Museum of Art, Caravaggio'S Magdalene in Ecstasy. This 1606 masterpiece, once lost to history and rediscovered in 2014, captures Mary Magdalene in a moment of divine rapture. Caravaggio's signature chiaroscuro breathes life into the canvas, drawing viewers into its profound depth. Seeing it in a real life was powerful. The details, the emotion, the light, it felt almost like watching a scene from a film. Another parallel show, Gulam Mohammed Sheikh's of Worlds Within Worlds Unfold, a retrospective weaving together 6 decades of artistic exploration. Witnessing this huge painting, which is called Caravaggio by Gulam Mohammed Sheikh, is a grand visual journey, bringing together artists, poets, thinkers across time on a floating arc. It's a moving tribute to shared histories and culture unity, where traditions and imagination sail side by side. From intimate sketchbooks to expensive installations, Sheikh's works draw from personal memory, cultural heritage, and global influences, creating a dialogue between past and present. Thanks to Wasim who showed me this picture, or the famous picture by Fan Thi Kim Puk. Gulam Mohammed Sheikh's How Can You Sleep Tonight echoes the haunting pain of war, drawing emotional reference from this picture only. This show is a powerful reminder of how art can bear witness to history, memory, and shared human condition.